Okay, this is the elevator here at Barnes & Noble, Brookfield Square Mall in Brookfield, Wisconsin. The Schindler HT. Let's go to 2. And this elevator is one of the loudest elevators I ever ridden in my life. So get ready for this motor. Here we are at 2. Wow, that was one of the loudest motors I ever heard. Let's go to 1. Door goes button does not work. There's your lantern. Let's get a cab view. Decent cab. Here's your indicator. AC fixtures. 4,000 pound capacities or COP. This thing deserves another ride. We're gonna close the door first. This thing deserves another ride. Okay, motor time, people. Here we go. Listen. Holy crap, that is one of the loudest motors I ever heard. Let's go back down to 1 and end it. That motor was so obnoxious. Let's do a Fixture can this time. And here we are. Schindler. Let's ring the bell. Okay, we'll watch it close now. And there it goes. And that'll be it.